Shapes and Geometric Reasoning by Saraceni from grade 7th A. What will I discuss in this PPT? In this PPT, I'll be discussing what is symmetry, what is rotational symmetry, classifying quadrilaterals, nets of solids, making scale drawings, and a small quiz. So let's get started. What is symmetry? Symmetry has its origin in the Greek word which translates to measure together. The concept of symmetry has great use in geometry. Symmetry in maths means that shape which has an exact resemblance to the other parts when the shapes divide into two or more equal parts. Here are some examples of symmetry. A square has 4 lines of symmetry, a triangle has 3 lines of symmetry, and a rhombus has 2 lines of symmetry. What is rotational symmetry? A figure has rotational symmetry if it can be rotated by an angle between 0 degree and 360 degree, so that the image coincides with the pre-image. The order of symmetry is the number of times the figure coincides with itself as it rotates through 360 degree. Here are some examples of rotational symmetry. A square has 4 rotational symmetry, a triangle has 3 rotational symmetry, and a star has 5. On to the next one. Classifying quadrilaterals. A square has all sides of the same length, 2 pairs of parallel lines, all angles 90 degree, diagonals that bisect each other at 90 degree, 4 lines of symmetry, order 4 rotational symmetry. A rectangle has 2 pairs of sides of equal length, 2 pairs of parallel lines, all angles 90 degree, diagonals that bisect each other, 2 lines of symmetry, order 2 rotational symmetry. A rhombus has all the sides of the same length, 2 pairs of parallel lines, opposite angles equal, diagonals that bisect each other at 90 degree, 2 lines of symmetry, order 2 rotational symmetry. A parallelogram has 2 pairs of sides of equal length, 2 pairs of parallel sides, opposite angles equal, diagonals that bisect each other, no lines of symmetry, order 2 rotational symmetry. A kite has 2 pairs of equal sides, no parallel sides, 1 pair of equal angles, 1 diagonal that bisects the other, diagonals that cross at 90 degree, 1 line of symmetry, order 1 rotational symmetry. A trapezium has sides of different lengths, 1 pair of parallel lines, angles of different sizes, no lines of symmetry, order 1 rotational symmetry. Lastly, an isosceles trapezium has 2 sides of the same length, 1 pair of parallel lines, 2 pairs of equal angles, 1 line of symmetry, and order 1 rotational symmetry. On to the next one. Net of a solid. The net of a 3D shape is what it looks like if it is opened out flat. A net can be folded up to make a 3D shape. There may be several possible nets for one 3D shape. You can draw a net on paper, then fold it into a shape. The net of a cube and a square-based pyramid are as follows. The first one is the net of a cube, the second one is the net of a square-based pyramid, and the third one is a cone. Scale drawings. A scale drawing is a drawing that represents something in real life. The scale gives the relationship between the lengths of the drawing and the real life lengths. Here are 2 examples of scale drawings. The first one is a scale drawing of a bedroom and the second one is a scale drawing of a garden. A small quiz. Can you tell me how many lines of symmetry and how many order of rotational symmetry are there in these shapes? The first shape has 1 line of symmetry, The second also has one line of symmetry. The third one has 4, and the last one also has 4. The order of rotational symmetry of the first shape is 1, second is also 1, third is 2, and the fourth one is 4. That's it for today. I hope you liked my PPT. Thank you for being with me today. And do you have any questions?